Hey everyone! Welcome back to Herbie. Today, I'm super excited to dive into a magical herb that's probably hiding in your kitchen right now. Yep, I'm talking about oregano. You know that green stuff you sprinkle on pizza? It's way more powerful than you think. First off, did you know oregano is like a tiny superhero for your body? I mean, it's packed with antioxidants. These little guys help protect your cells from damage, keeping you healthy and strong. Imagine having a mini team of heroes inside you fighting off the bad guys. Cool, right? But wait, there's more. Oregano is a fantastic source of vitamins and minerals. It's got vitamin K, manganese, iron, and even calcium. So not only does it make your food taste amazing, but it also gives your body a serious nutrient boost. And get this, oregano is like a natural defense shield. It has antibacterial properties, meaning it can help fight off those pesky germs and keep you from getting sick. It's like having your very own bodyguard. Plus, oregano is great for your digestion. Ever feel bloated or uncomfortable after eating? Oregano can help with that. It stimulates the production of bile, which aids in digestion and helps you break down food more efficiently. No more tummy troubles. All right, time for a quick break. If you're loving these oregano facts, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome herb secrets. Now, let's talk about another incredible benefit of oregano. It's good for your skin. Yep, applying oregano oil can help clear up acne and soothe irritated skin. Just make sure to dilute it with a carrier oil first. Who knew a kitchen herb could double as a beauty product? And here's a fun fact. Oregano might even help with weight loss. Studies suggest that it can boost your metabolism and help burn those extra calories. So, adding a sprinkle of oregano to your meals isn't just tasty, it's good for your waistline too. Alright, we're almost at the end, but I saved the best for last. Oregano has anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce swelling and pain in the body. If you have sore muscles or joints, oregano might just be your new best friend. So there you have it. Oregano isn't just a simple herb, it's a full-on health powerhouse. Next time you're cooking, remember to sprinkle a little extra oregano. Your body will thank you. Thanks for tuning into Herbie. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell icon for more exciting herb secrets. Stay healthy and see you next time. Bye for now. Oh, wait. And one last tip before you go. Did you know you can make a soothing tea with oregano? Just steep a few fresh leaves in hot water, and you've got yourself a calming, health-boosting drink. Perfect for winding down after a long day. All right, that's really it this time. Take care, everyone.